right, so we're on Hollow Lane in Hayward Hills, kind of. Some people. Today I got the keys. I'm over here with my buddy Bryce. We actually went to high school together. I became a realtor and now I'm purchasing properties, which is freaking crazy. This company, Nixit, me and my boss, we bought this property. I actually bought it from a wholesaler, and he bought it and then sold it to us the next day. It's beautiful because we're right in downtown Hayward. The Hayward BART, Cashville Lake BART, is less than a mile each direction, so prime location. But the thing that I love about this property, and I grew up on 5 acres. We got all these mature trees and very private location. And we're gonna get it cleaned up. First thing we always do is get these properties cleaned up. Usually they're beat. This property is actually in pretty good condition. I like it because it has a newer roof, upgraded electrical, double pane windows, stucco, private driveway. There's a lot of good things about it. We're gonna assess the damage. Probably gonna put it in the kitchen, maybe bathroom, get it painted, do some landscape, and then we're gonna resell it. So what do you think, Bryce?
Yep, this is something we deal with all the time. People buy houses or they sell them as is. Obviously you can see in the front yard there's quite a bit of stuff. The backyard is similar along with the side yard. The interesting fact about this house is that the inside is actually clean, which never happens. Usually it's like this inside and out, which is great for us. So our goal is to get all this out. We're gonna try to recycle and donate as much as we possibly can. Typically about 80% of what Nixit takes is either recycled or donated. So hopefully in a day or two, this place will be all cleaned up and ready to go.
Yeah, so you guys will see the transformation from beginning to end. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on a lot more videos. So like, subscribe, or even comment on the videos, and I'll make sure to respond. So thank you again, Bryce, and look forward to seeing this one cleaned up.
Absolutely, let's get this done.
All right, we're on day 5 of the project. We took a couple days off. We did a lot of cleanup on the outside. Still got to do some more, but we did get out a lot more bricks, a lot of rocks. We cleaned up the pond area. We cleaned up in front of the house, cleaned up all the plants, pulled all the weeds. Still got a lot more demo going. We haven't pulled out the kitchen yet. This garage door is dented. I'm gonna get that replaced on Wednesday. I brought all the doors here last night. Hey, David. Here we got David. He's replacing all the doors today. Show you guys. I don't think I really showed you guys. I don't think I really showed you guys the outside yet. But we got all this cleaned up. Before you couldn't even see this entire yard. The reason why is there was so much debris. There was tons of plants, potted plants everywhere. But this is a nice area right here. So this whole area right here, all this, the lot ends near those poles right there. But all this lot right here is vacant land, and it's owned by a local real estate broker. From what the seller told us, the guy we bought it from, he said that this guy's been trying to build right here for years. I have my electrician come in on Monday. He's gonna set up for the dishwasher that we're gonna install. This area doesn't have a dishwasher yet. Before, there was plants everywhere, so we took all those plants out. We leveled it. There's holes everywhere. The guy just did a bunch of weird, odd things. We pulled out those plants. This hole right here, remember there was the big glass window that he pulled out of the front of the house, and there was the storage area right there. We took that storage area out. This storage area, we cleared it out. There's a lot of cabinets in